guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you, and it's good to see you. If you're an OG, welcome back. So today we're gonna be doing a video on how to stretch your wash and go. So I've just done a wash and go and it's dried. I'm gonna be showing you how to get it from this strong state to more length, more stretch without heat. So I'm gonna kind of break the gel cast first, and what I'm gonna use is just an oil. This is my infused oil. You can use any oil, you can use coconut oil, you can use, this is olive oil and some infusion in there, so it's kind of mixed with some other oils as well, but mainly olive oil. But you can use coconut oil or any oil you own. I'm gonna put oil all over my hand. I'm just gonna do this with the oil. So what this does is literally breaking the cast that the gel oil in like so, and I'm just dragging it out, just removing the gel cast really. So you just put the oil in your hands and just drag it like so. Put oil on my hands and just drag it like so. By doing this step, it's just brought out the fluff back to the hair already. Doing that, you can see the hair is looking more fluffy already, and the oil just gives it that shine that it needs. Step 2, I'm not going to use rubber bands. Not rubber bands, what are they called? Hair scrunchies or hair bands like so. You know, kind of separate the hair. Actually, I'm going to separate it into 3 places. Depends on how long your hair is, but I'm just going to band it now. So I'm separating it into 1. I'm going to do 1, 2. Now I'll do the back together. So this is front. I'll just use the band and just band it, especially from the roots, because you want the roots stretched. I just do it like a nice band, just like so. I don't do too much on especially the front, because I want to maintain the curls. I don't want the curls stretching, because sometimes when you do too much banding, it just stretches it too much, and I don't want it too stretched. I'm gonna do this as well. I'm gonna use the scrunchie and just band my hair. So I try to leave a lot of curls at the front because I really don't want to lose the wash and go. So I'm just doing like just a nice band hair. So this is what I've done. Band, and I'm leaving the curls out because I don't want the curls to go away. And the back, I'm just gonna pack it up. So that's the banding done. You could do it 4 ways if you want. You could do, it depends on how thick your hair is as well. You could do 4 bands if you want. If you've got very full thick hair, you could do 4 bands. Oh, I can see one left here, so I'm just gonna add it to this one here and just band. Or better still, now just add it and just band it again. Yeah, that's it. So that's that done. So that's the second step. And the third step is I would put some oil on my edges because I want to protect my edges. Put a band on my edges directly like a satin scarf. I get my satin scarf. I try to tie it this way because I just feel this way would protect it as opposed to doing it back. But yeah, this is the time to wear your satin body and yeah, and go to bed. So this is the next day. I've got my satin scarf on. I literally just popped that in and I went to bed. So I'm just gonna put oil just to rub my hands, just to make sure my hands are really easy on the hair when I take off the bands. I've got 3 bands. As I tied up yesterday. I'm just gonna turn around so you have a look. I'm gonna take off the bands. So this is the band off this one. I'm gonna take out this one. Why I didn't do the bands to the very end was because I wanted my curls to still be there. So you can see the curls are still there. If I were to do the bands to the end, it would be longer, but the curls will not be there. So it depends on what you want really. I just want my curls to still be popping. That's why I kind of left the ends. Just gonna take out the back. Just gonna now separate it and kind of just shake it. I'm kind of seeing some white cast hair. I used Eco Styler hair, so I don't know why there's some white cast hair. That's odd. So what you can do when you see like cast like so, you can just spray a bit of water on it. Just got my water bottle. I'm just gonna spray it on the white cast. I want to take it out. I don't like the white cast there. All I'm doing now is just separating and kind of just making sure it's just how I want the hair shaped. All I'm doing is just lifting. Just separating the back. Literally just looking at it and just separating where the curls naturally separate. So you could just tell like this one here, it's two joined together. I'm just separating it. You can see like there's a curl forming here. I'm just separating it, doing lifting and kind of separating the curls. What I'm gonna do is use my pick and I'll just pick the roots. So I'll start from the back. So I'm just picking it. I'm not dragging it out, just picking out the roots. So just literally taking it like so and just doing it like this and stopping. Don't go in anywhere further than that. just teasing it. For this video, this is how I stretch my hair without heat. I hope you found this video helpful, and with this stretching method my wash and go lasts me for about a week or more, like pushing it to like 8 or 9 days. But yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like if you did, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.